Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with Me. Today's video is a winnings that I received from the Happymailqueen. Please go check her out. I'm a new subscriber to her, so I was just recommended when she had her giveaway, and so I jumped on board with her, and so far I am loving her channel, and so link that in the description below if you guys don't know who Happymailqueen is. She's also on Instagram. This is a winnings, but it just, look at it. Look how beautiful this is. It looks like Happy Mail to me. But look, just so much time was taken into doing this. So let's get into it. I'm going to cut this part out because, you know, the crinkles, I'm not sure if you guys like that. So here it is. Look how cute. Oh my god, it's a mermaid. So this is her card right here. I'm going to take that out. Look how beautiful this card is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I need this starfish right here. Where did you get this? Anyone know? Please let me know. And I love this paper. I believe it's the Recollections paper. I love it. Look at that. Those mermaids are just adorable. Okay, let me see what she says. Okay, so she says, "Hi Veronica, congratulations. I'm happy that you won my giveaway. Thank you for participating and for being a loyal subscriber. I hope you enjoy the extra handmade goodies. Enjoy." Oh my god, she sent me extras. I can't wait. Let's see what this is. Let's see. Maybe I'll open this. This one feels like I don't know. This one feels, I'm gonna open this one. Look how pretty this ribbon is. Gold and white. That is so pretty. And then look at this paper right here. So pretty. Almost looks like the Maggie Holmes paper, the black and white bows. And see if I can get in here because this paper is just so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh my goodness. Look at this, you guys. So I won the second prize, and I believe it was just sequins. But I see some dies in here, and so that must be the extras. And you know your girl needs dies. I do not have that many dies. I'm a new crafter, you guys, so I try to improvise and use up what I have as much as I can. But look, oh my god, let's look at the sequence first since it is my winnings. And these are provided by Alina Cuddle. Look how pretty this orange is. That's going to be good for fall. They're little orange flowers. Love it. And these are like glass. They look like glass flowers. But it's like a silver flower with some, I don't know. But they're pretty. Look how pretty that is. Looks like snow almost. And then these pink flowers are really metallic pink. And I love them. Look at, they look purple in some lighting and then pink in other lighting. And look at this. She sent me spellbinders. So this is the extra goodie she sent. And so you could make a basket. But definitely we'll be using this for other stuff. Thank you so much. And then designer stamps by Echo Park. Oh, look at it. She sent the mermaid. I love it with the castle. Thank you. And then designer dies by Echo Park also. It's really nice for, okay, let's go ahead and open the last package. Now let's see what this is. Look how pretty this is. Just look at that, you guys. Look at that mermaid, the rosette on a banner. And look at these. These are beautiful. I love these starfish. You have to tell me where you got those. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And then this paper, she made it into an envelope. Look at this. Look how beautiful this mermaid is. I'm going to use her also. Oh my goodness. What did you send? What did you send? Look at what she sent. Oh my god. Check this out. Look how beautiful this is. This is so beautiful. She's very talented. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god. Look at this. Okay, let's open this. My 5th memory decks. Thank you so much. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Look at how she did this. Oh my goodness. This is talent right here. Look at her hair. It has some highlights. Look at her. She got her hair done with some highlights and she has a necklace. This is beautiful. I'm gonna turn it around. She has her information. Okay, this is the back right here. I covered her address, but look how pretty that is. Look at this crown right here. And what she loves is she's happily married with 2 kids. Birthday March 19th. Hobby paper crafting. Singing. Crafting style is clean and simple with bling tool, lace, and pastel colors. Favorite candy, C's dark chocolate. My favorite candy is C's milk chocolate with almonds. Truffles, Snickers, dark chocolate with mint or nuts. YouTube channel, of course, we all know who she is. Happymailqueen on YouTube and Instagram. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I absolutely love it. Look at, she sent me these rosettes. OMG, you guys. You guys, seriously, can't get enough of this. Look at her work. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is. So she has some sort of die cut on the back that looks like a flower, like a large scallop. Then she has a rosette along with this shellfish from Hobby Lobby. I know that, but these stars, I'm not sure where they're from, but they're beautiful starfish. I love this. Love, love, love this. And lastly,
oh my goodness, you guys, she just did not do this. Oh no, you didn't! Oh no, you didn't! Oh no, you didn't! You guys, look at this!
oh my goodness. Look at what she sent. Look. She made this. She had to have made this. How did you do this? Oh my goodness. This is foam. How did she do this? This is beautiful. Look at this. Are you guys seeing this? Look how, I haven't even showed you the rest. Look at this. I'm gonna put that to the side so we can admire this. Oh my goodness. You guys, are you guys seeing this? Look at this beautiful dangle. Oh my goodness, look at this. Can you see this? Oh my god, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. And not only did she send that, you guys, she sent this in. And look at this. Look, it has a little mermaid right in the back. Oh goodness gracious, look at this. I can't get over this. Look at this mermaid right here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And then it has a fish tail. This is beautiful. And last, the grand finale. Oh goodness gracious, you guys are not ready for this. Let's make some room here. You guys are not ready for this.
Look at this. It's a heart shaker. A heart shaker. On a real clip. Look. On a real keychain. What? What? Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Thank you so much, girl.
Oh my goodness, I am so happy with everything you sent. I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This is so beautiful, all of this. You guys, I'm going to link her down below, which I'm sure you guys already know her. She is amazing. Look at this stuff. Oh my god, I can't. I just can't. Look at this. Right here, let's just screenshot this and look at it. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, you guys, it's about that time, and you know what I'm going to say, right?
Happy this is